Hi and hello, children. We are going to see the first topic in geography, that is the Earth and the solar system. Okay, what is a solar system? First of all, you you know what the solar system. We have learnt already in the class. Okay, what is a solar system? Our solar system consists of star. Okay, the sun and everything bound to it by gravity. Okay, due to gravitational force, all are orbiting around the sun. All the planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, everything, moon, all together called as solar system. Okay, all the objects which is surrounding the sun, orbiting the sun, is called as solar system. First, we'll see the moon. It is full moon means Purnima. In English, full moon means Purnima. In Tamil, it is Paurnami. Okay, and in Amavasya is the name given to no moon day. Okay, no moon or new moon, both are same. No moon day is called as Amavasya, and in Tamil it is called as Ammavasai. Okay, and these moons are plenty in number. Okay, there are dozens of moons all over the solar system. The Earth, has only one moon, but other planets has different number of moons. Okay, millions of asteroids are there in the solar system. How many asteroids? Millions, like stones, it will be appearing. Millions of asteroids are there. Comets are there. Meteoroids are there. They are all present in numerous in the sky. And all these consist together and they orbit around the sun. If you see the solar system, it will be rounding the sun. Okay, so they are called as they are called as solar system. Okay, and planets are also, how many planets are there? There are 8 planets. Okay, and the sun, the moon, and all other objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Whichever is shining, okay, whichever is shining in the night sky, whichever body is shining is called as celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. Okay, all the celestial bodies, some celestial bodies are very big. Okay, they have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. Okay, the sun is a star. The sun is a star, you know already, and all the hot bodies which are shining in the sky is called as stars. Okay, and countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but we do not feel their heat or light, and they look so tiny because they are very very far away from us. Okay, because it is far away only, we are not able to feel its hotness. Fact is given in your book. Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus have rings around them. These are belts of small debris. These rings may be seen from the Earth with the help of powerful telescopes. If you see with the telescopes, you will see a belt like structure around the 3 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Okay, and when you talk about stars, group of stars, pattern of stars are called as constellation. Okay, in your book it is given as Ursa Major or Big Bear is one of such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Small Bear. Saptarishi. Okay, Sabda means 7, Rishi means sages. It is a group of 7 stars that forms a part of the large Ursa Major constellation. Okay, 7 stars is the large constellation. And if you see elders asking what is the star, they will say the name of the constellation. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. In the daytime, they will be able to see the places. In night time, with the help of the stars. Even during the Christmas time, people even during the Christmas time, if you see, Jesus Christ's birth was denoted by a star. Disciples will follow the star and reach the place. Okay, it is a simple example. They are following the direction, seeing the stars. Okay, pole star will be always in the north direction, so that they will follow the pole star and they will find the direction. If one direction is known, other directions automatically will know. Have you I have taught you to find the direction. No, you should your head should face north, your left handed side is west, east, and leg side is south. Okay, and that is how you want to find the direction. People also will find the direction in that manner only. Celestial bodies do not have their own heat. Okay, they borrow heat from the other objects. Other objects in the sense like sun and star. Okay, they are lit up by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. These planets, all the planets, they do not have light. They borrow light from the other celestial bodies, stars and sun. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetia, which means wanderers. Okay, they are wandering in the sky, no? So they are called as planets. The earth on which we live is a planet. We live in which planet? We live in earth. Okay, and earth is known as the blue planet because only in earth water is present. All these things you know in the previous class itself. Okay, you can see here, children, all the stars are all the planets are visible here. Mercury, one orbit around the sun, first orbit. Okay, it is near the sun. One spin on axis takes 59 days. Okay, for one orbit it is 88 days. One spin on axis 59 days. One orbit around the sun 255 days for Venus. One spin on axis 243 days. So for them 1 year in Venus, if you are living in Venus, 1 year is 243 days. Okay, yes. Earth on one orbit around sun is 365 days. One spin on axis is 1 day. Okay, one spin takes 1 day only. We have day and night. You know, Earth takes one round means it is called one spin means it is day. It takes 365 days to come around the orbit. Mars, one orbit around sun is 687 days. Okay, one spin on axis is 1 day. Number of moons 2. In Mars there is 2 moons present. In Earth only 1 moon is present, you know. Jupiter, one orbit around sun takes 11 years, 11 months, about 12 years. Okay, 11 years and 11 months equal to almost 1 month only less than 12 years. So they are saying it takes 12 years to complete one orbit around the Jupiter, since it is the largest planet. One spin on axis 9 hours and 59 minutes. Number of moons 16. Jupiter is having how many moons? 16 moons. Okay, Saturn, one orbit around the sun takes 29 years, 5 months. One spin on axis is 10 hours and 40 minutes. Number of moons about 18 moons are there. In Earth 1 moon, in Mars 2 moon, in Jupiter 16 moon, in Saturn 18 moon. Uranus, one orbit around the sun takes 84 years. One spin around axis takes 17 hours and 14 minutes. Number of moons is 17. Okay. Neptune, one orbit around the sun 164 years. One spin around axis 16 hours 7 minutes. Number of moons 8. One orbit around takes for Pluto is 248 years. Okay, it is not 89, it is 48 years. One spin on axis takes 6 days and 9 hours. Number of moons 1. Okay, in Neptune number of moons is 8. If you see this page and read whatever I said, you can see in this page, children. Why Earth is taking only 365 days and why Pluto and Neptune is taking 164 years to round the sun? Can anyone say? Yes. The thing is, they are near the sun. When you are near the sun, the distance will be less. These other planets are away from the sun, so when they round the sun, it takes more years. Okay. As we are talking about the solar system, Sol is Roman mythology is the sun god. Okay, so solar means related to the sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. Okay, many words used in a language may have been taken from some other language. Okay, for example, it's an English word. Okay, geography is an English word. It has its origin in Greek, which relates to description of the earth. It is made of two Greek words. G means earth, graphia means writing. Okay, you can see here. Okay, geography, geology, asteroids, meteoroids, everything. Study of logy means study of earth. Metry means measurement of the earth. Oid means resembling the shape of or form of the earth. Geology, geometry, geoid. Okay, all the three words you can see here. The sun. Okay, the sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. As I said, huge means very, 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 very large. For saying that, you can say the word huge. It provides a pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Okay, ultimate source means basic source. Without sun, heat is not produced. From sun only stars get heat and light. Okay. After getting from the sun only, they reflect and they give it to their nearby objects, nearby planets. But that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. How many kilometers the sun is away from the earth? 150 million kilometers. Okay, planets. There are 9 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury. In the first orbit, they are located. So, distance Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Pluto is considered to be the dwarf planet. Okay. An easy way to memorize the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun is my very efficient mother just showed my 9 planets. Showed us 9 planets. This is a saying. M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune, and P for Pluto. You can memorize like this. Already you know, children. This is a trick given in your book. Okay. All the 9 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path. Okay, they move in a fixed path and it is an elongated path. If you see the orbit, it will be like an oval shape. It will not be like a round. So it is called as an orbit. Okay. Mercury is nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along in the orbit. Okay, as I said earlier, it takes 88 days to complete one round. Okay, so it takes about 248 years to complete one round. Okay, Pluto is supposed to be the farthest, longest distance from sun. Okay, Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Okay, it is called Venus is called as the twin planet of the Earth. Okay, a new planet 2003 UB 313 has been discovered recently in our solar system. It is bigger than Pluto and farthest from the sun, but other details about this planet are not yet available. Hence, the name of this planet has not been included. Okay, this new planet is not included in the list. The Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun in size. It is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened by the poles. As I said, on the top and bottom of the globe, it is flattened. That is why it shapes in the described as geoid. Geoid means an earth-like shape. conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the earth. As I said, water is present in the earth, air is present in the earth. Earth is called as the blue planet. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water, air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the earth is a unique planet in the solar system. It is a unique planet where life is possible. From the other space, outer space, the earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. When we see the globe, it is blue because when you see from outside, outside the planet, if you go out of the earth and see the earth will be looking blue because two-thirds is covered with water. That is the reason. Okay, the moon. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. Okay, 1/4 of the diameter. Okay, earth and the moon's distance, they are saying from moon. If you calculate 1/4 that of the earth, that diameter is called as moon. Okay, it is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the sun. Okay, sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth, but moon is from earth 3,84,400 kilometers. Okay, you can see here. Yes. Then now you can compare the distance of the earth from the sun and that from the moon. As I said, you compare means, no, sun is long distance, moon is little nearby. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. As I said, full moon day. Okay, it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. One spin also takes 27 days. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the moon's surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. If you see the moon will always be looking like somebody sitting inside the moon. Okay, and usually in Tamil Nadu, if you see, they will say the story, grandma is sitting there and preparing some vada or something. But actually the reason is there is depression there, and the plains are there, mountains are there. Those shadows are falling on the moon's surface. Okay, so that is why we are seeing the moon in a dull white state. Okay, asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. You can see the asteroids here. Okay, yes, like this. There are asteroids everywhere around in the planet between the orbits. Okay, these are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mainly the asteroids are found between Mars and the Jupiter. The largest asteroid is the Ceres. Okay, scientists are of the view that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. From planet, the pieces are broken, and those pieces are called asteroids. The scientists are thinking like that. Okay, meteoroids. Small pieces of rocks which move around the sun is called meteoroids. Okay, this is also a small pieces of rocks. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. Okay, when it is coming down towards the earth, meteoroids will have a friction. It will join with, like when two stones are rubbed together, spark will come. No, the same way the meteoroids are stones, rocks. When they touch each other, they will burn. While coming down to the earth, it burns. Okay, it causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteoroids, in short, it is called as meteor, being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. It will fall on the earth and it will make a hole. Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? If you sit and watch the sky for some time, you will see, okay, some meteorites falling. Here, white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night. Okay, it is the cluster of million stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. If you see a band like the waves, the light rays, if you put a torch, the light will glow. No, the same way the sun will have a, the sun is a star, you know already. Stars will have a Milky Way. Okay, whitish broad band. If you see, like if you blow a torch in night time, you will be able to see the light going direction, and the light will be going in a line. Okay, that like that from stars also. If the sky is very clear, you will be able to see that type of rays going. Those are called Milky Way galaxy. Okay, this band is the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. Okay. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. Okay, Akash means sky, Ganga means water. Okay, a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Okay, a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. These are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. Okay, all together, all the asteroids, meteoroids, sun, moon, solar system, everything together, earth, all the planets, everything is called as universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Okay, scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, okay, I belong to universe. We all belong to universe. By this, our lesson is over, children. You can see Earth, solar system, Milky Way galaxy, the universe. Okay, universe is the biggest. We are all inside the universe. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? You are on the Earth, and the Earth is a part of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is a part of the universe. Think about the universe and the fact that it contains millions of such galaxies. How do you fit in the picture? Okay, same way you want to draw your picture, children. Okay, I'll send you the class works. We'll see.